Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a record here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Airtable, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a record in Airtable is a straightforward process that can be an important action for maintaining the integrity and usefulness of your database. Now, once you are here on your account, I want you to hover to the project that you are currently working with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Now, deleting records that are no longer relevant or outdated to keep your database current and accurate, because removing records related to completed records or project or tasks that no longer need tracking is a practical move. I'm going to click on this file right here. You see, for example, I don't want to have this duplicate entry here on my file. All I have to do, well, you have multiple ways. One is right click on the cell or like a column. You have the option to delete. All right. That's one way. As you can see, if you delete that accidentally, click on undo. Now, the next option is select the cell again and press delete button. And as you can see, you have deleted the record. Now, eliminating the records with incorrect or erroneous data, of course, can prevent inaccuracies from affecting your analysis and decisions. And as I've mentioned earlier, I have duplicate entries and I need to delete that to reduce clutter and improve the performance and responsiveness of my Airtable base. Because the more entries you have here, it takes a longer time. It takes a little bit of time to update and to load. I'm going to undo that right now by pressing Ctrl+Z. And I have it here again, the options. Now, another option is right click on the file. If you double click that, you're going to be able to see the expand button or option in this icon. If you do that and if you hover to the, let me do that again, this one. There's a 3 dots or ellipsis buttons on the upper right corner that says more options. You see, you have the option to delete the record. Okay. Now, keeping your base focused on relevant and active records, you're going to have an improved table, allowing you to improve performance and support effective data management and analysis. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.